naman siya. Oo, dito ka maring, ayan. Miss Ann Curtis. Kamusta naman po? Kaano-ano mo si Res Curtis? Kapit mo. Okay. Joke lang. Oo. Saka si Mike Curtis. Oo. Ano daw shampoo mo?
Well, my best tip to everyone, if you have an oily hair, I use conditioner first before I apply shampoo. It's kind of weird, but it really works.
Wow! Bongga ka! In fairness, ikaw nilalagay mo sa book yung iba kong friends, iniinom nila ang shampoo. May kasamang Centrum. Tama ba ako, Maricar? Ay, hindi mo alam. Hindi ba ikaw yan? Hindi, joke lang. How many years?
I cut it sometimes, so it doesn't really have a particular year.
Okay. Ganda ng buhok mo. In fairness. Buti ka ba pinihiyaan? Yung iba wala talaga. Oo. Okay, ito na. Yung question. Alam mo na naman yan. Gusto mo ba ibahin natin? Ay, may kalit. In fairness. May alit. Okay. Nabura. Oh, joke. Nabura. Okay. Here's your question. My question. What's the value of the subject, or di ba may piyok, in your everyday living, in our everyday living, and all the living things? History.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that history, the Department of Education won't put the subject of history in our academics if it's not going to be vital in our daily lives. So ladies and gentlemen, what does history do? And why do we have to study history? Ladies and gentlemen, there is a saying that we should not repeat the mistakes of the past. That is the very reason why we study history. So that we won't repeat the mistakes of the people of the past. And one thing more, the why we study history is so that we will be aware of the important events that happen not only in our society, not only in our country, but all over the world, so that we can give acknowledgement to those people who have given us a lot of gratitude in our society right now. So ladies and gentlemen, I believe that history is really, really an important subject, because without history, without the past, we are not here in the present. That will be all. Thank you indeed.
What is a substantial answer to that question? Miss Jessa and Curtis. Huh? Oh, ano ba? Nancy J. Why does your name na daw ngayon is Nancy J?
I'm Nancy Castillo. I don't. Right now. Oh, thank you.
Okay, so, huwag na lang siya pahirapan. Let's go on with our question. Yung talent portion, 3 minutes lang po tayo. 3 minutes ba o 2 minutes? Okay, whatever. Basta hanggang 3 lang, maximum. What's the value of the subject in your everyday living? Filipino or Panitikan?
Well, thank you so much for that very wonderful question. I believe the subject Filipino, we should learn and we should respect this subject, because through this, we are not one. We should fade away with this language, because this is our national language. And I believe this language helps us to compose as one, to be united, not to be divided. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, we should give respect, we should obey, and we should learn a lot about Filipino language or about Filipino subject, because through this, we will learn how to value our life by doing what you believe is right to be done, having the credibility to be influential to others, and establishing a well-respected reputation that will make you stand out. Because I believe for what Ninoy Aquino said, that the Filipino is still worth dying for. That would be the essence of my answer, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Miss Nancy Castiglione. So, kamusta naman ang Eco Moda? Katulad ng tanong mo kay Rufa Gutierrez.
Actually, I think it's doing fine right now because I've been watching Betty La Fea for this past few weeks, and I think it would be the last week of the show.
Yesterday, the 24th finale, yeah, last Friday. Pero meron pa naman kasunod siya, may sequel pa siya, ang title ay Komoda. Right? Okay, so, are you busy doing All-Star K?
Yeah, I am. Actually, this is my opportunity to invite everyone to watch All-Star K every Sunday. Para pumataas yung rating, please watch All-Star K. The both of them.
Oh.
Jaya. Ever since I was young, I loved her songs.
What's your favorite song of Jaya?
Honestly.
Can you give us some rendition or some sample? Few lines.
I'll be doing it for my talent later. I'll be singing. So.
Okay. So, hindi ka na napipick ng question kasi isa na lang yan. Whether you like it or not, you have that subject na for your question. Okay? Pinupari ko. Diba? Diba sa may ito palaban ni Pacquiao? Nangusuhan ako agad. Okay, this is your question. What's the value of this subject in your everyday living? Can you read it for me?
Logic. Okay. First and foremost, the question asks, what is the value? And when we speak about the value, how can we use it in our everyday life? Logic is the thinking of some things in the past nor in the future that will make us realize what is really the truth and the fact. Therefore, I believe that in logic, we are learning a lot of things that we are not that learning from what we have learned. Do you understand that? Logic are things that have happened and will ever happen even in the future. How is the use of this life? There are these problems that we Filipino facing right now, and there are a lot of things that we human beings are also facing right now. But in logic, in thinking, we are going to use different kinds of steps for us to achieve the right and the true logic of the problem. And therefore, by that, by thinking and by doing step by step, I think we could be on the best and on the fact and on the truth. Therefore, I'm asking each and everybody to take my hand as I take yours. And together we stand, divided we will fall. And let's think of what is the true logic of this problem that we are facing. And that comes from us Filipinos. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I love the song. Together we stand.